Hi friend, today we are going to discuss the new point from the multi-component reaction synthesis, that is the next example of reaction, Ugi reaction. Ugi reaction, that is, these are the example of multi-component synthesis reaction. The Ugi reaction is the example of multi-component reactions, that is, in this reaction there are use of the four component in the reaction vessels to form a final product of the reactions. That means there are more than two components used in as a starting molecules, then this reaction is known as a multi-component reactions. The Ugi reaction is a exothermic reactions. Exothermic means energy is released. It is fast reaction, that means formation of product within the 1 minutes. Therefore, it is known as fast reactions. Then it is uncatalyzed reaction. Uncatalyzed reaction, there is no any catalyst required to proceed reactions. Then it give high yield of chemical product. It is example of eco-friendly reaction. There is only water molecule removed from the final step with main product. Therefore, this reaction is known as eco-friendly reaction. It is multi-component reactions. In this, there are total four components used to form a final product of the reactions. The four component, the first one, the component first, that is aldehyde or ketone, that is carbonyl compounds. Aldehyde or ketone, it may be alkyl or aryl, that is aromatic compounds. Then the second component of the reaction is primary amine. Again, it may be alkyl or aryl groups. Then third one, the third component of the reaction, that is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, it may be again alkyl or aryl carboxylic acid. And the fourth component, that is isocyanide, it again alkyl or aryl component. Okay, these are the four component used in the as a starting molecule to form a final product of the reactions. Now these molecules reacted with each other to form a final product of the reaction, that is bis amide derivatives. It also known as alpha acyl carboxy amide derivative. Now the general example Ugi reaction, the first component, that is carbonyl compounds, we can take here, that is R1 C double bond OH, that is aldehyde. Then the second component, that is R2 NH2 primary amines. Then third component, that is carboxylic acid RCOH, that is R3. And the fourth component of the reactions, that is isocyanide N triple bond C. The nitrogen contain positive charge, carbon contain negative charge. Okay, these are the four components of the reactions reacted with each other to give the final product of this reaction, that is R1 CH C double bond O NH R4, that is amide, and then the second component N R2 C double bond O R3. The name of the compound, that is bis amide derivative. That is possible mechanism of the reaction. The four components react with each other to form a final product of this reaction, that is bis amide derivative. In the Ugi reactions, the four components, how they are react with each other to form this final product. Now the possible mechanism of the reaction is mechanism. In this, the carbonyl compound like aldehyde R1 C double bond O H reacted in presence of primary amine, that is R2 NH2. Now see, the nitrogen contain non-bonded pair of electrons act as a nucleophiles. The carbonyl carbon oxygen contain del minus carbonyl carbon del positive charge. Now see, the bonding electrons, non-bonded electrons of nitrogen atoms donate toward the carbonyl carbon atoms. Then this bonding electrons shift toward the oxygen atoms to form the next possible substrate of the reaction, that is R1, then CH O minus ions, newly bonded electrons with electron donor nitrogen atoms, then H, the substituent like R2. Now see, the bonding nature of the nitrogen atoms electron dependent, therefore the nitrogen contain positive charge, the oxygen contain negative charge, abstract H plus ions, and these bonding electrons shifted toward the electron deficient nitrogen atoms to form RCH OH NH R2. Okay, in the next step there is elimination of water molecule take place. Now see, the again non-bonded electrons shifted toward the nitrogen carbon atom to form a single to double bond. Then this OH group eliminate with its bonding pair of electrons, that is elimination of OH minus ions. These OH minus ions abstract H plus ions, and this bonding electrons shift toward the nitrogen atoms to form the next product of the reaction, that is then the elimination of water molecules to form R1 CH double bond N, that is formation of imine. In the second step of the reactions, the imine derivative reacted in presence of, that is R1 CH double bond N, that is R2 reacted in presence of carboxylic acid like COH O R3, and then the third component, that is isocyanide like R4 N triple bond C minus ions, N plus ions. Okay, now these three component reacted in presence of imine intermediate. In this, that is this bonding electron abstract H, then this bonding electron shifted to form single to double bond, and then the double bonded electrons shifted toward this cyanide carbon atom, then this bonding electron shifted toward this carbon atoms. That is, these are the concerted type reactions possible to form the substrate, like there is formation of the molecule like R1, then CH, the newly bonded groups like C double bond N, that is R4 bonded with CO, C double bond O, R3, and then the groups of CH like N, R2, that is NH. Now in this bonding electron shifted toward the carbonyl carbon atoms, then these oxygen containing bonded electron abstract H plus ions to form the new substrate of the reactions like R1 CH, then C double bond N, R4. These are the group of these carbon atoms. Then N, that is R2, to form a new cyclic substrate like C R3 groups O, CO, and then remaining groups like O, EH. Then the next step of the reactions will proceed like this bonding electron shifted to form a single to double bonds, then this bonding electron shifted to form a single to double bond to form a C double bond O, then this bonding electron shift, that is N minus abstract H plus ions to form a NH, and to give the final product of reactions like the product of these reactions we can write here. The final product of the reactions like R1 CH, C double bond O, NH, that is R4, the remaining substrate of the reactions like N, R2, then C double bond O, R3, that is the final product of these reactions known as bis amide derivative. Bis amide derivative. These are the final product of this reaction. The first application, the carbonyl compounds used, that is aromatic carbonyl compounds like benzaldehyde. The structure of benzaldehyde reacted in presence of methylamine, that is primary amines. Then again acetic acid, and the fourth component of the reaction, that is methyl isocyanide. These are the four component reactions in the applications. These four components react with each other to form a final product of these reactions, that is the product of the Ugi reactions. Now the first step, the benzaldehyde, that is carbonyl compound, benzaldehyde reacted in presence of primary amines like methylamine. Now see the electronic nature of these both substituents. The nitrogen contain non-bonded pair of electrons. This carbonyl carbon electron deficient, electron rich. This bonding electron shifted toward the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atoms, and then this bonding electron shift to form the substituted benzene like CH. The newly bonded groups N, these are the H, then CH3, and the oxygen having negative charge, that is abstract H plus ions. This nitrogen contain positive charge. This bonding electron shift to neutralize positive charge to form the intermediate of the reaction like imine, a substituted imine, that is benzene by elimination of water molecules. Benzene, CH double bond N, CH3, formation of substituted imine. Now in the second step, this imine reacted in presence of carboxylic acid as well as methyl isocyanide like the benzene nucleus, then imine double bond N, CH3 reacted in presence of carboxylic acid like HO, C double bond O, CH3, that is acetic acid, and methyl isocyanide like C triple bond N, CH3. This carbon contain negative charge, nitrogen contain positive charge, that is isocyanide. In this bonding electron shifted abstract EH, then this bonding electron shifted toward these carbon atoms, then this bonding electron shifted toward these carbon atoms, that is concerted tap reaction mechanism to form a new substrate of the reactions like benzene nucleus, then CH newly bonded groups, that is C. In this there is this bonding electron shift to form C double bond N, CH3, then newly bonded groups like O, C double bond O, CH3, and then the group NH, that is CH3. Okay, in the next step, the nitrogen containing non-bonded pair of electrons shifted toward the carbonyl carbon atoms. Then this carbonyl group abstract H plus ions to form the next molecule of the reactions like benzene nucleus, then CH single bond, C double bond N, CH3, then O, N, CH3, bonded with C, these groups, then CH3 and the other groups like OH. Now in the last step, again there is concentrated shifting of electrons. These bonding electrons shift to form single to double bond, then these bonding electrons shift to form again single to double bond, and this bonding electrons shift to form a double to single bond. At that times these N electron reach to abstract H plus ions and to form a final product of the reactions. The structure of final product of the reaction like benzene nucleus, then CH C double bond O, then NH CH3 amide, and the remaining substituent of the reaction, that is N CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is final product of this reaction. These are the application of the Ugi reaction.